You've been selected. Report in 3 days.
Yes, sir.
No,
Nothing will stop me from coming back to you.
I believe you.
Sarah, please, talk to me. Why are you being so cold? Something's wrong. Team, advance right. Hostiles ahead.
Copy, moving!
Flank left. Cover fire.
Engaging!
Cross-referencing the drone feed with the surveillance logs. I found the entry point. Transmitting now.
Stay with me, Ethan! Breathe! I've got you!
You make me happy, Sarah.
I love you so much.
I love you too, always.
You've been selected. Report in 3 days.
Yes, sir.
No. Promise you'll come back?
I promise you.
I believe you. How long will you be gone?
I don't know, but I'll come back.
I'm scared. Will you forget about me?
You're my heart. Never.
I'll wait.
I need you to wait for me.
I will. I promise.
I love you.
I'll wait for you, Ethan. Always. I can't watch this.
I know. It's time.
Already?
Yes,
Don't go.
I have to.
Come back to me. Ethan!
I'll come back.
Welcome to base.
Thank you, sir. Here we go.
Welcome to your new life.
Yes, sir.
This is discipline now.
This is my life now.
Everything looks good.
Good.
Welcome to service.
Tell me about your problem-solving skills.
I like understanding patterns.
Interesting.
Faster!
I can do this. Come on!
Push it! Don't stop! Keep going! Show me your strength! Don't quit!
I miss you, Sarah.
Good form.
Thanks.
Keep going. Training got easier? Getting used to it. You'll do fine.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Ethan. I miss you. How are you feeling today?
A little better, thank you.
That's good to hear. Hello, I'm Elena. How are you feeling?
Good, thank you. Let's check everything.
I thought you might like coffee.
That's very kind.
You look stressed. How are you holding up?
Better when you're here.
I'm always here.
Looking strong, Sterling. Thank you, sir. Excellent progress, Sterling.
Thank you, sir.
You show real potential. Move fast! Got it! Go, go! Flank right, move!
I think about you every day.
Oh, hi, Ethan.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
She says she's busy.
What's wrong?
It's Sarah. She's distant.
I'm here for you.
I'm worried I'm losing her.
Talk to me.
She's changing. Push harder.
Your abilities are valuable. Thank you, sir.
We need you on special assignment.
Your analysis is excellent.
I appreciate that, sir.
This is important work. Okay. This won't hurt.
Thank you, Elena.
That's what I'm here for.
I appreciate it.
You need to stay hydrated.
Thank you.
Always taking care of you.
Sarah, are you okay?
I'm fine, Ethan.
You sound so distant.
What do you want?
Something's wrong.
Are you okay?
I don't know anymore.
I'm here.
I don't understand what I did wrong.
Maybe it's not about you. Then what?
You're becoming solid, Sterling.
Thank you, sir.
Keep that focus. Move tactically! Moving now! Hi, I'm Derek.
I'm Sarah.
Can I get you something? Finally, something from Sarah. You're really special.
Thank you.
I really like you.
Talk to me.
I'm losing her.
You have me.
Sarah, please, talk to me. Why are you being so cold? Something's wrong.
It's late, Ethan.
What's happening to us? I care about you.
I care about you too.
Stay with me tonight.
You need to take care of yourself.
It's hard.
I know, but you will.
We need your skills, Sterling. I'm ready. This is critical.
You're going to be okay.
With you here.
Always.
I love this.
So do I.
Ethan, I need to tell you something. What? Sarah's with another guy. No, this can't be real.
Ethan, what happened?
She cheated.
Oh no.
I gave her everything. I know.
And she betrayed me. That's not your fault.
How could you do this? Sarah, I trusted you. Why? Just tell me why.
It's complicated. How is it complicated? I needed someone.
Everything's gone.
Ethan, I'm here. Let it out. I don't know how.
I've got you.
Sterling, we need you on this mission.
Does it matter?
It matters to us. Your investigative skills are critical here.
Tell me about it. We need you focused. I'm going to do this mission.
I'm proud of you.
I need this.
Everyone knows we're together.
I don't care.
Good. Enemy formations are advancing towards objective X-ray.
Sterling, your analysis is critical for counter-operations.
We need your skills. You're the key to this mission, Sterling.
I understand.
This matters.
I think I need to do this.
Then do it.
It feels right.
Listen up. New mission briefing. Sterling, step forward.
Yes, sir. You're critical to this.
I'm asking you to commit.
I will.
That's all I need. You're ready for this.
Ready to go.
That's the spirit.
I'm going to do this.
I know you are.
With your support. Captain, I'm committed.
Understood, Sterling. Glad to have you.
Affirmative, Captain. I'm committed.
Excellent. Let's proceed.
You're in great shape.
Thanks to you.
Be safe out there.
I will.
Come back to me.
I will.
I mean it. I believe in you.
That means everything.
You're going to succeed.
I'll be back.
I know you will.
Thank you.
Final briefing understood?
Crystal clear.
Go accomplish this.
Come back safe.
Cover that position. On it.
Stay focused.
The pattern is clear. Excellent work.
Ready for next phase. Outstanding work, Sterling. Just did my part.
Critical part.
Mission success. Well done.
Thank you, sir. You exceeded expectations. Mission complete.
Please be safe. You're back.
Elena, I promised.
What happens now?
Now we figure it out.
Together? How are you feeling? Processing the experience. That's normal and healthy.
I'm ready.
You're doing great.
With you watching,
Always. I love this.
so do I.
Always wanted this.
Sterling's heroism secured our success.
Just did my duty.
Your duty was exceptional.
Checking everything.
I trust you completely.
I know.
You proved yourself, Sterling. Thanks to your guidance.
You did it yourself.
Happy?
Completely.
Good.
I'm just...
For heroism and service.
honored. Well deserved.
Thank you, sir.
He deserves this.
Your continued role is critical.
I love you.
I love you too.
Forever? You're different.
Better?
Perfect. What's next for us?
A future. Together.
I love that. Look at you.
Look at us.
Perfect.
Let's keep this simple.
It already is.
Good. You need to leave. You didn't just hurt me. Look, you destroyed something beautiful. Stay away from us.
That was incredible.
That was closure.
I love you. You've changed.
We changed each other.
Yes, we did. I love you completely.
I love you too.
Forever?
You're everything.
You're my everything.
We have a critical mission. Your skills are essential.
I'm ready to serve.
This mission is extremely dangerous.
I understand.
I need your answer.
Captain offered me a critical mission.
How dangerous.
Very.
Promise me you'll be careful.
I promise.
Come back to me.
Nothing will stop me from coming back to you.
I believe you. Will you think of me out there?
Every moment.
Good.
Final briefing understood?
Crystal clear.
This is critical.
I love you so much.
I love you.
Please be safe. Come back safe.
Team, advance right. Hostiles ahead.
Copy, moving!
Flank left. Cover fire.
Engaging!
Cross-referencing the drone feed with the surveillance logs. I found the entry point. Transmitting now.
Be safe out there.
Stay with me, Ethan. Breathe! I've got you!
Hang on!
Elena, Ethan's been hit.
What?
He's critical.
Please come back to me.
Elena,
You're back.
I promised.